Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing AnyDesk and getting the ID so you can connect immediately. First, run the installer with admin rights and allow network permissions so remote control works reliably. Once done, open AnyDesk and copy your 9-digit address or custom alias. This is what you share with the other person. If you want unattended access, enable it now and create a strong password. Make sure to record that password in a secure place so you can reconnect without prompts. Now, enter the remote AnyDesk ID into the address field and click Connect. The remote user will see a prompt to accept the session. If you set unattended access, the connection should proceed after the password. Once connected, pick the appropriate mode: full access to control, view only to observe, or file transfer for copying data, because permissions determine what you can do. Then, tweak audio, display scaling, and bandwidth settings to balance responsiveness versus image quality, especially on slower internet. To finish, close the session from the session window, and if this was temporary, disable unattended access or rotate the password so access stays secure. You can also enable session recording for accountability and review logs in settings if you need details later. If something goes wrong, no connection or high lag, first verify both sides run the latest AnyDesk, check local firewalls and router NAT settings, and restart the app. Often a simple restart or port allowance fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.